Symptom module. Symptom helps to record any subjective sign or evidence of a disease. Log into your account, select the preferred patient from your patients list and click on New Health Record and navigate to the Symptom module. If the module is unavailable, click on the Show More button and select Show Symptom. Click on the add icon available to enter symptom details. The user can search and select ICD-10 codes, which is universally recognized database from the drop-down list. Symptom details can also be manually entered here. It can also be a description to the code selected. The from date of the system can be recorded using the calendar. If the doctor feels that this particular symptom can be used on a frequent basis, we provide our users with the option to store them as favorites or templates and use them in future visits. To save favorites, click on the Add as Favorite icon and click on the Save button. You can also use the Add Label button to assign details to labels from existing labels or create a new label. The same details can be stored to multiple labels. You can also click on the Education link, which is available for certain symptoms, to learn more information about the symptom and click on Save. Click on the Favorite icon here to view the favorite symptom details stored and labels created. Click on Ellipse icon to view the labels and select any label to view details already stored in them. Click on Add icon to easily import the information into the module. This will enable you to reduce a lot of charting time. Before completing the health record, if the doctor wants to delete or edit any of the information, click on the already saved information and click on the trash icon to delete the details. To edit details, click on the already saved information, make the required changes and click on Save. You can navigate to your new health record, and this data will be visible in the new EHR and in all future health records for this patient until marked as cured. To cure a symptom, click on the previously saved information to confirm if the problem has been cured or not. Once cured, the details will be moved to the past folder. You can view the past completed symptoms information by clicking on the ellipsis icon and selecting the past cured symptom option from the drop-down. You can view the details of all the cured symptoms so far. Clicking on the Add icon will also enable you to easily import the information into the module.